Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel. So friends, today we are presenting a video about a medicinal plant that's called Kalanchoe pinnata. So friends, if you like the video, then press like and share the video and also subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, we'll know that what are its name. So हिंदी में इसका नाम पत्थर चट्टा या पत्थर चूर है और संस्कृत में पर्णवीज या हेमसागर कहते हैं. In English, it's called Bryophyllum pinnatum, life plant, Hawaiian air plant, good luck leaf, mother of thousands, all are its name, and it's having a name also, Zakhm-e-Hayat. Zakhm-e-Hayat. So friends, further we'll know about its medicinal property. Let's discuss about its distribution. So this plant is found almost throughout the India, especially abundantly this plant is found in West Bengal, and it is found in warm, moist, both places in India. Now we discuss about its qualities. This plant has many qualities. This plant has many qualities. Some of them we are discussing here. So first of all, it's a herbal plant, and how it's used for medicinal purpose we'll also discuss here. It's a charming plant, that's why it's also used for ornamental purpose. Now let's discuss about its maintenance. It's a very low maintenance plant that needs no other fertilizer than cow dung. Cow dung is enough for this plant. Now talk about fungicide. So no fungicide is needed here for this plant. This plant can survive in warm, sunny, shady, any place. Full sun, partial sun, doesn't matter a lot here. Now discuss nature of soil for this plant. So this plant needs well drained soil, means soil must not hold the water. Porous soil, sandy soil, this plant wants. Why so? Because it's a succulent plant, means succulent leaves, means its leaves, branches store the water, as you can see on crushing. The water is being released here. Now we discuss about its propagation. So it's a easy to propagate plant. Easily it can be grown in pots. These are small heighted plants, so big planters are not needed here. Now a very important point about its propagation is that these plants cannot be propagated by seeds. This can be propagated by a single leaf, by a branch cutting, or even by a cut part of the leaf. These plants are also germinated automatically or naturally, like weeds, in various ways. As you are seeing here that there are a lot of pups are growing on the leaves. Even multiple pups are growing on a single leaf. This is really creating a very wonderful look, a very wonderful scene, that is plants on the leaves. That's why it's called mother of thousands. These pups can be separated easily from the mother leaf and can be implanted in soil and survive as an independent plant. There is another way in which these are naturally propagated, that is, its leaves fall on the soil and germinate pups from the fringes of the leaves and grow as mother plant. So it's a perennial plant. If we bring this plant in our garden area, so this plant keeps on living forever by germinating as seed. So don't share its planter with another plant, because this plant will absorb all the nutrition and other plant will be in poor condition. Now talk about its flowering. So reddish flowers are bloomed on the plant's maturity. Now discuss about its medicinal property. It's a very important point. It's very rich in medicinal property. If its sure and salty 2 leaves are chewed in morning on empty stomach, then or you can extract the leaf juice also. Then it provides relief in various diseases. If in headache condition, its leaves paste is applied over forehead, then it provides relief. It's also a disinfectant. It kills bacteria. It improves the immune response. It improves the functionality of immune system. If it's bleeding from cuts and wounds, then it can be stopped by applying its paste. Also applied on the insect bites. It heals ulcers. Also bad body odor, dandruff, pneumonia, jaundice, respiratory troubles, menstrual disorder and urine problem. In all diseases, this plant gives relief. Now, the disease for which treatment this plant is widely known is kidney stone. That's why it's called थरचट. It breaks and removes the kidney stones. If you like this knowledge, then please subscribe the channel and share the video. Next time we'll present another video. Thanks for watching.